What is up YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video we're gonna change the M3 badge because it definitely needs replacing. As you'll see how bad it is. If you see my last video you'll see that it's quite faded from the sun. So I'm gonna get that replaced and then we're gonna put a Sunstrip on the car. So it's gonna be exactly the same thing as what I had in Sirocco, but it's gonna be on the M3. So hopefully it looks alright. We'll see. I'll see if it grows on me, if it doesn't, because different cars, Sunstrips maybe work, some don't. And I know some people are going to be like, you shouldn't really put a Sunstrip on an M3, it just doesn't look good, looks tacky. That's fine, I get it. But I'm going to do it anyway, and if I don't like it, I'll have it removed. But if I do like it, I'll leave it. And on that note, let's just get stuck in, let's get this done, and yeah, hopefully it looks alright.
The doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again. And I will not fall, I won't lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, rise up from the ashes, and I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing.
Basically, this is my friend Jack. He lives with me.
Yo, what up?
He's got a sick Jag. We'll put the Jag on the video, but he's gonna give me a hand with this. You need two people to do it because doing it on your own is pretty hard. But yeah, let's get to it. And with the help of Jack, we should get this pretty even, and hopefully it doesn't look weird. So let's get it done. Get this from Halfords. I'll leave a link in the description.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's on.
so that's it. That's the first little touches of the car to make it look a little bit unique to me. The rest of the mods obviously now are going to be the wheel spaces and so forth, and we'll continue with other mods as we go. Big shout out to Jack, my housemate, for giving me a hand with that, because obviously it's a pain in the ass to do that on your own. But yeah, hopefully my mess ups in this video, which I'm not going to unedit, is a learning curve for you guys, so you guys don't make the same mistake. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe and like button. But anyway, on that note guys, I'm going to head take a drive in the car. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.